Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now the 8-year-old student was abducted from the Brayton Primary and Infant School in Portmore, St. Catherine. Danielle Rowe has succumbed to her injuries. And of course, condolences to the family of Danielle Rowe. Just 8. A grade 2 student. I don't care what you say. There's nothing I can say. There's nothing this child could have done to justify this. Nothing. I'm going to big up the JDF soldiers who found her and rushed with her to the Bustamante Hospital for Children. And the doctors who immediately rushed to her aid, started to perform surgeries. And both the medical staff and people who did around, you think she's gonna make it? But because of the brutality of what took place, people senseless crime and violence and mash up the country. And if you don't open eyes and see it by now, they may not know. Talk to me in the comment section. Now I'm going to hear a voice clip from a mother of a student of the North Street and Melbourne Avenue based high school, KC, which is a prominent high school in Jamaica. Now I'm going to hear what has been exposed taking place there, and they will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
This morning, Cavalli called me and tell me, say, Mommy, I don't have no table and no chair to sit down. I say, what you say? So anyways, me just say, them have a PTA, whatever. So any issue where you have, you go through the PTA, and the PTA would bring forth whatever. So when Cavalli called me this morning, I said, Cavalli, go to the grade coordinator, go to the office and speak to the grade coordinator and tell him, so there's no desk and no chair in the classroom. Face sit down pan. Him go there, Cavalli call me back and tell me, say the grade coordinator says she don't have no table and chair. I say, what you say? Anyways, I say, you know what? I go try to see if I can get the PTA person and speak to her. I call Cavalli. When Cavalli called me this morning, I was about 8 o'clock. I call she immediately. Whenever I get her and she call me back. So she call me back. I tell her what the situation is. Oh, I must calm down and re. Make sure tell her, say, if I not get nowhere with this, I'm going to come up the school. She go call me back. All know the woman not call me back. So you know, say a long time me ready and me reach up at school. Me reach up at the school in the office. So anyways now, when me go up there now, and I tell them, say, I need to speak to the grade coordinator. And I'm going to tell me, say, grade coordinator is not available. And when I tell them about the whole situation, them are going to tell me, say, there's nothing that they can do because them keep on repairing the chairs and them keep on replacing the chairs and the kids keep on mashing it up. I say, well, if this is the situation where we don't have no a big school like this, a big established school like this, I say, a name alone, I live off up at this place here because nobody in a Jamaica not gonna believe say a big school like this will have such a big name, not have no table and no chair for the picnic sit down pan. So the news will have a field day with this news here that I'm going to give them. Them are gonna tell me say them can't do nothing and there's nothing that them can do and there's no chair and no table in the whole Jamaica for them buy. So I say, so this is what I'm paying school fee for. So me pay school fee for my child come to school for come stand up and write in him and I say nothing no go so lie no tell up here. My son no very lie up here and his lie no tell. So guess what now? I say I need to speak to the coordinator, I need to speak to the dean, or I need to speak to the vice principal. Them are gonna tell me so none of them the people are not available. So I say, who can I speak to? Them say I have to go and speak to the principal over North Street. So I went and I went over there. When I go over there, the woman, she was out at the front, the receptionist, she tell me, say, the principal is unavailable and him cannot speak to me. I say, okay then, straight up at TVJ, I went today, straight up at TVJ. So, TVJ, I don't know if them have link with the school and them afraid for leg on the news because she gonna tell me, say, I speak to the woman named Janella Pursuit or whatever she want for name. She gonna tell me, say, she have to try to contact the principal first to hear what he must say about the situation before she release the news. I now wait for that, you know. I call CVM already, so he said tomorrow morning, I'm gonna be going up there tomorrow morning and I'm gonna speak to somebody at Nationwide already. So Nationwide will be taking on the news, so you're gonna hear me from the news because this is totally foolishness. People cannot pay school fee and then penny gas go stand up and write in a hand. Nothing no go so. For a big school like this, Me say the money wanna spend on champs and this and that. Table and chair is important. Just like it's important for your child carry them book and them pens and them pen for right. The table and chair is important too. So una should have that. And them are gonna tell me say me must look outside me see how much chair and table the pit them keep on a mash up. Me say but that is beside the point. These are una is one operating a school, and if una decide so una go have 50 penny in the class and supposed to have 50 chair. And if one chair mash up una supposed to able to can replace it because people are paying school fee here. Them two out order. Cavalry because him never tell me say what happened him is him never have no table and chair and today I use one little boy, which that shouldn't even have happened in the first place. Him tell me so the reason why him not have no table and chair this morning because the one that he was using belonged to a child and the child come back at school now say him have to give back the table and chair to the child. But that shouldn't have happened in the first place. It shouldn't have fair burn nobody table and chair because if them have 50 pin in their class, it's supposed to have 50 table and chair. So, and then him got Cavalier tell me said to all put in the class where we uncle have chair and no table and them have fair press and teacher next to other pin it. What kind of foolishness is this for a big established school? What kind of foolishness is this? Me say man, them not gonna like me now because me gonna deal with them. Them not gonna like me because sometimes me go up when me go up at CVM tomorrow and me make sure say nationwide get that news and me already contact Dean Jackson Miller, them gonna hear about it. Them name I go bring down so the high standard with them name there, it I go bring down and drag in the dirt so them gonna hear about it. That school level the KC is a big KC have old boys association. When them a keep event and nothing, them all a keep event for all one ticket for all $100,000. At that school I may talk about. KC big school where put them all in a champs man spend how much in money at champs and win champs and this that and excitement. And we don't have no table and chair picnic sit down for a school. Them a joke with themselves, man. You don't have no table and chair picnic sit down and one teacher him a go look for me and tell me say all of him siblings them come here when they were coming here they had the same problem. That's a him siblings business. Me a talk about my opinion and that now have nothing to do with me. That a him and him siblings business. And then the thing about it too, them not have no manners up there. Yeah, them not have no manners up there and don't need to know how to talk to people. But yes, it's true. Me still have to keep myself in an orderly manner as a parent, and that's why I never give it to some of them up there because them not have no manners. So I just say, you know what? I just gotta deal with it in the right way and the right fashion. I go up at the news team. Make the news team gonna have a field day if you know say a big school like this don't have no table and no chair for picnic sit down and picnic if you come to school and stand up and write in them hand. This not gonna work with me and not when me pay my $28,000. If them know so them want more money for put money for buy table and chair, them need to raise the school fee because you have to pay $25,000 for the school fee plus you have to pay $3,000 for PTA. What PTF dues or whatsoever, what those money go towards them and then them are gonna look at me and tell me say there are a lot of children there that don't pay. Me say look here, that's not my concern because my opinion not own no school fee. My opinion school fee pay before September morning when school open. So I can go check my name on the list for if this time second year I can go check my name on the list. Me not own no money. So being a fall under that. And if that is the case where children are not paying any school fee and only can't put them out of the school because of what ministry saying, oh, Pitney and come back for school fee and this, that, because them I get letter from ministry and all kind of stories. So, I said that's not my business. And if never not accept Pitney with and them not pay no school fee because the ministry say you cannot put them out, tell them so them need to carry them table and them chair and make the table and chair stay for the one them we have pay school fee. Yeah. I'm gonna say if it I go boil down to this is what I'm going to do. The school fee, I'm gonna take the money out of it and buy a table and chair for my child. That's what I'm gonna do, and if the table and chair for $10,000, I'm gonna carry the school fee for $25,000, I'm gonna carry $15,000 come you know and carry my child table and chair come put down. That's what I'm gonna do and I'm very serious about it.
No, this surprising. A prominent high school like that. No chairs and desk for the students. I will say this though. It's an all boys school. And them always have practical jokes. Pranks. Only if these students are taking out the chairs and the desks for whatever reason, and in this class now, there was not enough adequate chairs and desks there for students. Come and think upon the entire school, them tell you say there's a shortage of chairs and desks at a prominent high school like that. Tell me think about this mother's statements. She's even saying that she contacted a few people. And for some reason, because of the school's connections, some people were unwilling to to hear our concerns. And some parents have also said that at other educational institutions, the situation is the same, where parents raise concerns about treatment of students. And even when them take it up with the ministry, I try to bring it to certain media outlets. The school try to keep it on a level where the media doesn't know, and the public at large never hears about the situations that take place at these educational institutions. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel as I pass through, well, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And yes, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Until the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.